अहानबदा मरुइबा पाउ पिजरे बिष्णुपुर अमदी चुरचानपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट की लोनाबा बोरोई हेकोल विलेज ता कुकी मिलिटेंट सिंगना फुमलंबा लैंडमाइन पोखाइबदगे सन्नमा सिरे अतै असो अपन मिसिमिनादी याहोद्रे प्रेसिडेंट रूल थंबा हाइबा असि डेमोक्रेसी की मायोक्तनी हाइना एमएलए सापम निसिकांता फोंदोखरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी निमित मंगानी के यूएस समदे इजिप्ट खोंगचता ngasi भारत थादोखरे मणिपुर की बीजेपी सिंह लिंगजेल मानदे अदुना मोदी ना मिराई बिबने हाइना जयराम रामेश ना फोंदोखरे मणिपुर की वायलेंस का मरी लेना कुकी सिंगना थरप केस का मरी लेनबा हेयरिंग सुप्रीम कोर्ट ना याखिद्रे अमदी इम्फाल वेस्ट ईस्ट अमसोंग बिष्णुपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ngasi निमिदांग वाइरम पुंग मंगा फाउबा कर्फ्यू कोमथोखरे हौजिक मपुंग ओइबा पाउ मियामदा संदोकना पिजरे कुकी मिलिटेंट सिंगना फुमदुना थमलंबा लैंडमाइन अमा पोखाइबदगी सन्नमा सिरे अतै असोक अपन मिसिमिनादे थोखिद्रे थौदोक असि ngasi अयुक बिष्णुपुर अमदि चुरचानपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लोनाबदा लैबा बोरोई हैकोलदा अयुक पुंग 9 रोम ताबा मतमदा थोखिबने थौदोक थोकफमदगी फंगबा पाउदा मफम अदुदा खुल अदुगी थादोकपा सनखरा सजिक चाबा संगलुबदा हानदगी कुकी मिलिटेंट सिंगना फुमदुना थमलंबा लैंडमाइन बॉम्ब अदु पोखाइरखिबने हाइरे पोखाइबा अदुदा सजिक चाबा संगलुबा सन अमदे खुदकता लेखिदे हाइरे अमरमदा लैंडमाइन पोखाइबा अदुना मरम ओइरबा मिसिमिना अमदे असोक अपंदे यावखिदे हाइरे चेरक्सिदा ngasi anganbadagi kanto sabal amade leimakhong chingmangda combined force na thiba humbagi thabak chathakre thiba humbagi thabak asi ngarang kuki militant singna miyoi furup ke yum manga mai thabada natana nagagi yum amasu mai thakhiba loirana jar regiment gi jawan amasu sokhraba matungda chatharakhibane hauzik fawbada mifam mipun amade khusu khulai fabagi paudi leitre चेरगसिदा हौजी हौजिक मफम अदुदा लेरिबा अखोइगी पाउमी हेंथोय बना पिरकपा रिपोर्ट
मरुइना अखोइ ngरang लेमखोंग ममांगचिंगदा अखोइ मेतेगी युम मंगा मै थागिबा अदुगा नागागी मै थाgi मतुंगदा हजिकन ऑपरेशन चथकेबगी पाउ लेबनी मफम अदुदा अखोइ मियो थखो हेंथोय बले हेंथोय बा पुंग के दगे जता बहोगनो अखोइना ताजबदा अखोइ स्टेट फोर्सिंग गा होंदे हेबगी मुंगनै हेबगी पाउ सु लई करी पाउ लेन थंबियो
combined operation se pung nipa makhai adai hawe aduda hajik moina sangu mathamda media su sanghandre adai di state force sanghandre mogi Indian army dang sanghalle adu chang moi dang chang ro ga thore aduna thong chang ro ga thor mathamda si noi moina kain lem de hai adu leiram ba kolam ba do noi proof pio hana mai bai mayam ga mukna dana si tawri sa
kari kai no du hati hati phau da koi ngrang mai thagi phom sing adu yoru ro bra adu ga koi naga gi yum su mai thagi ba khuna ta sei hauji karam situation da lei ma de phom du da
si ma phom je hauji coming operation lower ga thore adu kan mukna ma thoi adu ga hauji mai thari ba ngarang mai thagi ha ma phom du di yo mungam de adu sang matam da noi firing kap thorok ko kolok ko taw na chang mungam da lei
hauji si kari imai bel sing na hai si kai no du ga dan army ka mun hai si kai maram nu habiyo
Indian army na hai sina khogi moida khulai kem leram de mi leram de bunker lai ke hai ba imai ben sing na je mi na ura ba bunker lai lairaga to lairaga potu bu laite hana hai du adu noi laite ara ka de proof photo video na moi namak ta photo bra hana mungna ri
okay makha ta ba paulo ge thank you so much thank you ba
President rule tham Manipur da thamba haibasi democracy ki mayoktani haina kaisamthong kendra ge MLA sapam nisikamna phongdokre wafamasi ngasi National News Channel India Today da pangthokiba khananaina ba debate amada phongdokhibane debate adu da hana DGP oiramaba NPP gi National Vice President Y Joy Kumar amade JNU gi Associate Professor Bimol Koizamna amade Congress Party gi Dr. Ajoy Kumar su saruk yakhe
rule be declared. Nishikant Sapam, you've been supporting this government. Do you believe that President's rule is the way forward? Article 355 is in place. Should Article 356 also be imposed?
President's rule actually is anti-democracy, and I would not like President's rule to be implied here. I would rather have this system if they have to change the law and order. Law and order has to be, of course, enforced very strongly. And agar ye tarika nahi chal raha, to tarika badal dijiye. But
what do you mean by tarika badal? You know, agar tarika nahi chal raha, tarika badal dijiye means what? What is the change that you want to see?
You see, like there are a lot of complaints against a certain, let's say, Assam rifle. Let us say, in some areas. So you could use BSF more actively there, so that trust deficit, you know, can be overcome by placing the right kind of people, right kind of forces, the right kind of place wherever the trouble is, especially the foothills. And of course, law must prevail in the sense that there are whatever miscreants in the valley or in the hills have to be taken control into. They have to be controlled. But personally, I would feel that President's rule would be anti-democracy, anti-people. But of course, somehow law has to prevail.
Okay, so you're saying that find other ways other than President's rule. Do you believe that the Chief Minister today has the moral authority to actually be able to bring the two groups together, given that on the ground he seemed to have openly sided with one? That's the charge which is being made increasingly frequently against the Chief Minister of Manipur. That you are all, and including yourself, you are all playing Mete politics.
No. We need to bring peace. So I said, I am supporting the government, but I won't say that from inside the government. But yes, the other Cookie brothers definitely are demanding that Mr. Biren Singh goes, definitely. So that is where it stands. But I think, yes, the government has to be very, very proactive. I agree to that. And government needs to be proactive. And we see a lot of times complete lawlessness in the
India ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi numit mangani ki US amade Egypt ki khongchat ngasi Bharat thadokre numit mangani ki Prithvi ki lebak ani ki khongchat asida lebak ani asida leiriba India ki miyoi singasu unaramgane masi ki sumathakta International Yoga gi thoramsu pangthokane khongchat asida lebak ani asigi makok thongba lusingba singa unaduna tongan ba hiram kaya dasu khananai nagani hairi Paugi marak thana te mebre matang lominasi.
Admission open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy ke lakato session 2023-24 ke admission Hausare Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized tauraba amati 5 years service complete oiraba Manipur da amatangairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani class 12 pass tauraba mahairoi singna tungi afaba career amati aviation industry da changningba singna ming chanbiba yaragani male and female punna apply tawba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100 plus students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course singi khudong chaba lecture course sing atudi international air hostess training airport operation staff training ground handling loina soft skill career counseling interview skill spoken English and Hindi grooming guest lecturer session resume making mock interview service classes first aid interview preparation Zumba class swimming class amati airport visits institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag Imphal amati atopa state sing da su khudong chaba pizari khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amati online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225
Lana Thauram Malem Taibang Panasida Ekoi Kwaigi Irakta Tinjaramba Laishram Bankin Chandra Atopamaming Abung Mathaina Magi Nungsi Jaraba Imung Manong Sagaina Day Amadi Maruk Mapang Kwai Pumna Mapu Thadok Lamlaga Haukiba Chaychet Tara Hundoi Thataruk Kumja Rising Aniga Kunbu Hundoi Kumja Ingagi Kunga Mangani Panba Leba Popanumita Kamen Loki Aigezang Kunda Tokiba Laibak Tiba Thaudokta Taibang Chengjen Loireduna Tengban Mapugi Lekolda Leirang Linam Uina Tinkre Lakliba Chaychet Taramapan Thataruk Kumja Rising Aniga Kunbu Hundoi Kumja Ingengi Nongmapan Ningthau Kabanumita Mangani Lehun Tamjaraga Lakliba Chaychet Kungamanga Thataruk Kumja Rising Aniga Kunbu Hundoi Kumja Ingengi Taret Nipan Manomizing Numita Lana Tharom Thokle Numit asida Leikhidrabagi Thawaina Tengban Mapugi Leikolda Ingna Chikna Leijarunaba Angamba Kharadang Langjaduna Taibang Mapugi Ngaklo Khada Sidaba Mapugi Mingkai Rolga Lunina Katjagadori Thoromasida Ahan Laman Ima Iben Maruk Mapang Amadi Iche Ichal CSO Sing Club Sing Amadi Lamdam Sigi Ima Loop Sing Pumnamakna Matam Chana Lingbidaktuna Sidaba Mapugi Mingkai Rol Tambiranaba Elite TV Gi Khotangda Pauzenjari Lana Thoramasi Imungi Pibam Namaram Oiduna Imung Manung Neta Club Amadi Khulon Ironaba Laikai Sing CSO Sing Club Sing Amadi Lamdam Sigi Imalup Singalunina Pangthok Jaragani Pauzenjariba Imung Manung Amadi Neta Thoram Mafam Kangla Sangom Sang Awang Laikai Community Hall Imphal East Phone number 7000259973 Amadi 9366576106
Admission open Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur Laiba CBS Sida affiliate Toba Khwaidagi Phaba School Singi Manungda Ama Oiriba Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Mantripurki Kumsi Sahigi Class 9 gi Akaknaba Sit Khara amasung Class 11 Science Arts Ani Asigi Ming Chanba Hujare School asi Yamna Mayon Chumna Fagalakliba National Thaki Awardee Kaya Putokliba Makal Makha Kayagi State and National Level Competition da Gold Medalist Amadi Prize Winner Putokliba School ni Leibaki Awabada Saruk Yaba Oina Class 9 gi di admission fee amasung tuition fee longdana lemna Ming Chanjagani Class 11 gi Oina AISSE 2023 Amadi ISSLCE 2023 da 90 PC amasung masigi matak Phangba angang singi damak admission tuition fee lawdabatan natana textbook su lemna pizagani smart class ka loinana angang singna lairik pagadaba matamda tuition chatpagi hainabi thadok hananaba strict oina class tawgani khangdriba fawba takpigani leibaki irangi awaba nangliba singidi aikhoina ngamjaba thakta mateng pangjagani class 11 gi admission fee lupalising manga loinana prospectus lupachani punna lupalising manga chani khaktani akupamorol gi damak school gi office ta tanabiu
Imphal East District ki oina Higher Secondary Examination 2023 da percentage masing khwaidagi wangna First Division da pass tawba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhayamadi Kongbagi Class 11 Science 2023-24 da tamnaba admission process hauzare ahan by admission tawba satra chamada textbook lem na fanghangani loinana admission fees lupalishing taruk oigani bus amasung van service na chingbaga loinana hostel facilities su leigani akupa marol gidamak Royal Academy of Science ki Wangkhay office da lakpiu
Lan Thoram Malem Taibang Palasida Aikoi Kwai Pumnamakka Luinaramba Yumnam Surjit Kumar Meitei Laishram Suresh Meitei Moirangthem Heman Meiteina Mapugi Sintha Loiraduna Aikoi Pumnamakpu Thadok Lamlaga Haukiba Chejat Tara Humdoi Taruk English Singaniga Kunga Humdoi Kumja Ingagi Kunga Mangani Panba Leibak Pokpa Numitta Makoigi Thawaina Mapugi Leikolda Leirangi Leinam Oina Tinkre Chatliba Chaychat Taranipan Taruk English Singaniga Kunga Humdoi Kumja Ingagi Kuntrani Panba Nongmaizing Numitta Mangani Leihun Tamjaraga Chatliba Chaychat Kungamari Taruk English Singaniga Kunga Humdoi Kumja Ingengi Tarukni Panba Thangza Numit Asida Lana Thoram Numit Thokle Thoram Asida Ahalaman Ima Ibel Maruk Mapang Sagainatai Ichilinau Haumin Kaminarakpa Ekoinedi Sakhangja Hodraba Kwai Tarana Matam Chana Lengbidaktuna Mapugi Mingkai Tabiranaba Amadi Haikat Leikat Tamba Yaubiranaba ELITETV ki Khotangda Pauzenjari Ayuk Pung Nipan Laigi Thoram Hoba Ayuk Pung Mapan Isai Hoba Pauzenjari Bising Yumnam Ongbi Tanaubi Leima Sujit Kumar ki loinabi Laishram Ongbi Ibem Leima Suresh ki loinabi Moirangthem Ongbi Ngaubi Leima Heman ki loinabi Oksu Ningthem Chakhul Community Hall.
Years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Braki matung na taram nok chare makhatha pau pizare Manipur gi BJP MLA Singh Lingjel manadabana Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Manipur bu mirai bibane haina Congress ki luchingba MP Jairam Ramesh na phongdokre mangna mahak ki Twitter account ta tweet tawraduna BJP manungda tongan ba MLA Singh na Prime Minister da memorandum pinaba honake masidasu Manipur da law amade ningthina leitre haiba memorandum aduda panbasu thengnare haike Hauzik Lairiba Manipur gi fiba masida Manipur gi Kuki Furup ki Tribal Forum na Supreme Court ta tharakpa case amage hearing pangthokna bagi wafam court asina reject tawkre Forum asina Kuki tribe sing asi Indian Army na ngak selana bagi matangda wakat thangalakkhibane adumakpo Supreme Court ki maikedi Hauzik Manipur gi oiriba fiba masi law and order ki fibamne hiramasida central government na angamba thakta security force mayam thajenduna ing tappa amadi tangdu leitaba ama purakna ba honari haiduna wafam adu reject tawkhibane haire ngasi kang oijarabasu siri siri Govindaji amasung skon gi kang chingkhidre isorgi tawdaba yadaba singi tamak pangthokre masida sunatana lekai lekai gi oinasu hojik oriba Manipur gi fiba masina maram oiraga ayambana kang chingna khidre skon gi oinasu sahi khudingi oina Jagannatha Balbhadra amade Subhadra lengthoktuna kang chingbagi thorom pangthokpa adu pangthokhidre lai gi tawdaba yadaba thorom damak pangthokre skon da pangthokiba thorom aduda tongan ba mafamdagi lakpa bhakta kayana saruk yakhe Bhakta Singna Isorgi mafamda thauni jake pangthokliba thorom asigi matangda skon gi maru oiba thaupuba amasung oiriba Bonomali Das na wafam kaya ELITETV da phongdorke
Irang sina maramoy na khoida lai thoram da makwan se pangtho sena samna ga Sri Govinda gi su lengthoro dajare adagi a khoi gi ni thawong gi lok thokpuda main tana mayam ado khoi sko gi ta seng modi chahi khuding gi yam chauna wana ba khoi gi lengthok na sorok kana phau ching bane do hadak chahi gi wana di kona leba gi irang sina maramoy da lai gi thoram da mak pangtho si haidna Namai Toraga Yam, the picture and the Shinjabani. Canada, dear, the telling doctor Anna Tasengadi, Mamang say that this one, I gave Matamida article Matunda, Zorana Pung Ama Makaita, the Quelling Toga, Deda, Mam Prasadi Katokobaman Toraga, Adagi, Puramam Chang Chingadabani, Adanda Kidimadi Kudong Jabba later, Canada Hababu, Adictoriba, Hadik Lentotre, Ate Mamang is Aid and the Lentoga, Awagi, Padana Wagi. Jagana Balawada Subadagi Tawan, the Mind Tawuni. Ayuki when a dear dom almost Sarana Quagi, Mayam, whether Araku Campus in the Prasadi, the Muntobu Hatani. Ado, Ajakasu, Sarana me, Samri Shamam with the Sorabena Kali. Ado, Mamang is saying that over the days around being single male Lakusawi. Mayam Are Reba do Jaganat Balawada Subadagi, Maprasat, Quagi, Kitri, Utin, Jangoya, Panosquena, Ado Seba, Todi Tojabani, Ado, Adaksadom. Kara Irang sina marom na kitang handaba na main tobuban.
Paugi marak than natin me break amamulo minase.
ꯅꯣꯡꯉꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯊꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ
ꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯨꯁꯤ ꯆꯩꯅꯔꯨꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯨꯁꯤ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯨꯁꯤ
ꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯩ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ now the question is ꯑꯖꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯁꯜꯂꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯗꯗꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯇꯦꯔꯣꯔꯤꯖꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ
ꯃꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯕ
ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇꯪ ꯊꯥꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ
ꯃꯤꯆꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯗꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯞꯇ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯍꯛꯊꯦꯡꯅꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯧꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯩ
ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯅ ꯖꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Khongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAC courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungaitabasu numit mangani gi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Umnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak ngasi maglengsin birau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena khunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam mama khangjana bagi khudom chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semdana angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chana ba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oirakna ba hona duna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thi ba haibasi arrive dinate adubu ipurgedi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna sacha khagnatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfamadu mai pakna chatnanaba sem sagani aikhoigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwa lambela mada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda chatrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai. Manipur University da affiliated tauba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tauraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akaknaba sit masingi admission housere. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani akopa morog dama 9856575163 college address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbiratuna ngasima kudong saba silo
Braki matungda makata pau Manipur gi hozik oriba fibam asida India ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi na karimata nachungdana leire masi laibak thibani haina Manipur gi saknairaba International Theatre loinana National School of Drama New Delhi ki Director Ratan Thiam na phongdokre wafamasi digital channel where the Karan Thapurga Manipurgi Hozik Oiriba Fibam Asigi Matangda Pangtokhiba interview Amada Phongdokhibane. Ratan Thiamna Phongdokhibada Mahaki Hozik Fawbagi Punsida Asigumba Tamthiba Thodok Asi Ukhidre. Handaki Irang Asida Nakal Animagda Nupi Kaya Amaga Mapuroiba Kaina Kre, Macha Kaina Kre, Mama Mapa Kaina Kre, Yum Kaya Maina Chakre, Manipurgi Ningtiza Kraba Ingtapa Machu Kaya na Leitingwa Lekon Ase Pungkai Kaire. Fibam Asi Fawbada Prime Minister na Wafam Amata Phongdoktaba Habase, Laibak Thibani Loinana Angakpa Amaso Fawi Haina Ningamdaba Phongdokhe.
Weather appears on TV, they don't go east of Calcutta as if there is no part of India to
no
the east.
part of India, is if there is no weather in the northeast.
This is one reason why people of the northeast must feel
Yeah,
India
always,
is ignoring them.
Yeah, always like, treat it, feeling like everybody talks, whenever I talk to anybody in Manipur, I feel like a second-class citizen.
And this is why the Prime Minister's deliberate refusal, I won't say accidental failure, deliberate refusal to talk about Manipur is pouring salt on wounds. It is really hurting.
Much more, but not only salt, it is also, quite a lot of mirchi, quite a lot of pepper.
So we agree then on two things. Either he doesn't understand how grave it is, or he doesn't care. And either way, by not speaking, he's turned his back on Manipur. When Manipur needed him most, he's turned his back and is looking the other way. That's
but
the feeling.
Still, Mr. Tapper, I would go on requesting him because I am an artist. I am an artist. I want to make him, convince that, you see, how things are going on over there, the situation over there. You should be able to notice it, and you ought to notice it, Mr. Prime Minister.
But he's blind to it.
Again and again, we'll do it.
Okay.
What's the problem? Again and again.
I wish you luck, sir. The Prime Minister should be by your side.
Please,
it's not just that he should speak out, he should be there in Manipur by your side holding your hand.
No, you see, it's a failure now that you have a food package, you have a building package over there, many houses will be built and so on. But who gives the guarantee of not burning down it again? It is only peace first.
And the sad part is that this is a Prime Minister who is incredibly popular in the country.
Yes.
He's incredibly powerful.
Yes.
And when he decides to do something, he can succeed.
He can succeed.
But he's not using those qualities to help Manipur. Instead, he's turned his back and forgotten about it.
Konungdasu Kangjingdrabasu Laigyo Eba Thoramde Pangthoke, Tongan Ba Mafam Kayadagi Lakpa Bhakta Kayana Sarugyake, Mioicha Kayana Jagannatha Balabhadra Amade, Subhadaragi Thogal Thojake, Pangthokliba Thoramasigi Matangda Konungi Thaupuba Amana Wafam Kayaso Fongdorke.
Shri Shri Govinda Ji ki temple si parampara chanarpa Rajatra, the Rajatra from the history of the Indian, the Gaura Sampradaya. Si chanariba Rajatra si akhoi si Khetragi, they became from the Khetra, Odisha. Sigi Lapumasi Matungina, we are going to the continuously from long times a year, 4 years. After all, we continuously tally. In this year, unluckily, some crisis of and Manipur. That will be very, very shocking. So all the Manipuri peoples, this festival is the biggest and something like this. Our Rajatra said some people go. So we are shocking for this function
not successful, so successful today. So I very sad for the people of the Goro Sampatais and for Manipur. Thank you.
CC Higher Secondary School the Tamlakpa Mahiro Singe alumni na share and care ga punna khosam naduna tongan bathabak kaya pangthoklagani haire hiramasiga mari lenana Manipur Press Club ta Paumi Singa unaba amada pangthokre Paumi Singa unaba aduda alumni gi President L Gunarnaf wafum kaya phongdoke
social support and skill development haibasina here and here Wangkai Ningkem Pukri Mapanda Ladiva, as you organize in a Siga, Ikoga, CC School Penska, tied up the Raga Ikoina, Manipur, Ladybird Relief Camp, Ponamak, Ikogi Makoida, Psycho Social Support, Nakaleba, Kuning Wakangi, Letadava, Waitava, Ponamax data, Ikoina, Makuma from the Satlaga, assume awareness program, Bangkok Sagani, Nasinga Simaksu, Ikogi Ideal College. Akam patalay riba sa pung ahunga makaida kuji asingumba kuji pung wakangi leitada ba kuji mayamsi masi awareness program mass awareness program amasu masi pung ahunga makaida kuji here and care gi share and care ga pullaga kuina pangthok sagani aduga kuji skill development gi matang da kuina JCRE haidana Ladiva, Skill Solutions, Asugumba Institute, organized in a Siga, CC School Friends, Pullaga, the displaced families singi, Masa, and youth sing, energetic way bussing as a Mapam Sana, Sentok Lambi Ama, Piraga, Makogi Sentok Lambi, Asi Tambiragadi, Lambi Pibiragadi, Santi Leva, the Makoi. Chaputpa ama purokna bagi damak kai koina sogo thobang logja gaduri ba ai koi sangjang jagani
Imphal East West amasong Bisnupurda Law and Order ki fibam fagalakwadagi ngasi district ahum asida namidang wairam pung mga fawba curfew komthokre Curfew komthoklingai da kaithel amadi dukan sing thong hangnake miyamna nongmada sangdaba yadraba potlam sing curfew komthoklingai da leisinake lambida hanagumna gari chenake ELITETV News channel asigi oina miyamna email ge khuthangda ipau thabirakpa matamda email address info@elitetv.in da thabiraknaba khanganjare Masidas natana ELITETV da ipau phongnabagi oina phone number 9402890982 da ipau phawbiraknaba khanganjare miyamna su ELITETV ge YouTube channel Facebook page Instagram amadi Twitter da su follow tobinaba khanganjare Loslakpada maruoiba pau amona bizari Bisnupur amadi Churachandpur district ki Lonaba Boroi Hekol village ta kuki militant singna phumlamba landmine pokhaibadage sannama sire atei aso apan misi minade yahodre President rule thamba haiba si democracy ki mayoktani haina MLA sapam nisikantana phongdokre Prime Minister Narendra Modi nimit mangani gi US amadi Egypt khongchatang asi Bharat thadokre Manipur gi BJP singling jail manade aduna Modi na mirai bibani haina Jairam Ramesh na phongdokre Manipur ki violence ka mari leinana kuki singna tharakwa case ka mari leinaba hearing Supreme Court na yakhidre Amadi Imphal West East amasong Bisnupur district ngasi nimidang wairam pung mga fawba curfew komthokre Huziki oinadi ELITETV na pizaba pung ani ki paw lojare miyeng tabiribasingpu amukana khurumjari.